clearer code management, simplifying version tracking. So how do this work? Enhanced version tracking was simplify tracking and managing code revisions, streamline communication during the code revision process, and also easily view and understand changes made to codes over time. So let me just explain it. For this, let's go to settings, and in my first branch under series manager, okay, at the very bottom you could see the quotation revision topic, right? We will be speaking about it. Rather than version suffixed, let's keep it default, and let's see what happens if we create a quote. Okay, under quotations, you could see a bunch of quotes here, right? Let's create a new quotation. Again to Adul Sharjah. I'm going to give a new quote on these two items. So the quotation is going to be for 5 items, 5. Yes, no discounts or anything like that. The price is going to be this. I'm going to say. So one thing that everyone must look is the quotation number. 00040. I'm going to mark this as published. All right, I published it, and then let me deliver this. So I've delivered it to the client. The client did not accept it. The client told that he or she, or he in this specific situation will not be able to meet this valuation. So what can we do? We'll be revising the quotation. Here comes the catch. If I revise the quotation, what happens? I'm going to give some discounts. So for this one, I'm going to give a discount of 450. And for this one, nearly again a 450. No discount for this one, this one, this one. Yeah. The total discount of 1,900 has been provided. So he'll be getting a significant discount, including tax difference will be. So 18,563. Same. The quotation number is 00041, right? Earlier it was 40. That was a master quotes series number. The revised one, the revised from, again was also the master quotation. Mark as published. Then I shared it. He accepted it. This can work in this particular manner. Or let's take a case. He didn't accept it. It was just delivered. He was not again able to meet this particular valuation or this number. We again revise this to which value? He need additional discounts. So here we're going to give a discount of 184. And here we're going to give a discount of maybe a 42. That's it. Or maybe here also, I'm going to give a discount of 187. So this will go under 18,000. And then mark it as published. So see here, the quotation number is 42. So the first one, the master quote was 40. And then we revised it to 41. Then we revised it into 42. So it was revised from 41. The master code was 40. So this is the way the series manager or the version tracking works. If we keep the quotation revision in a default manner under series manager, right? Now this person accepts this. Well and good. Let's take a different case. We're back into series manager under quotation revision. We're keeping it as version suffix, and the suffix will be -R, capital R. Now let's see what happens. I'm going to create a new code to a new customer, Aman Mathur. So here we're going to give a different set of items. A violin, Xbox, and then a Nokia tab, then a Panasonic AA battery. Okay. So, yes, 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 and 5. 64. Okay, this is going to be the price. Save. Mark as, let's deliver it. So 43 is the name of the master code. Now, he's not happy with this number. Let us revise it. So if we revise it, I'm going to give a discount here. I'm going to give a discount of nearly 3,000 rupees. And here also a discount of maybe a 500 rupees. So it is now nearly 68,000. Save. Look at the quotation number 00043 a hyphen R1. So the master code is 40 and the revised code is 41. Again delivered. If we are again revising it with further discounts, it becomes hyphen R2. The series goes in such a manner. See, the master code is 43. The revised from is R1 to R2. So this goes on like this. And what's the advantage? The advantage is if you go to the reports and under quotes, you could see quotes today. Yes, for Adul Sharjah, this is the quote numbers. But for Aman Mathur, these are the quote numbers. And if we select or if we click on any one of a quote to Aman Mathur, this opens up. So we get the quote and all the revised quotations like this. I hope you get the point. Again, if you click on 42 also, it opens up like this. So the page gives you a clear picture on that quotation along to that particular customer. The entire history gets shown. That is a specialty. All right. So that is the way the new quotations. Now, I mean, one of the enhancement is that earlier, this one was shown under, okay, let me show it to you in proper way. When I select quote, this gets shown. But this is not applicable. The quotation revision is not applicable for invoice, right? So when I select invoice alone, the quotation revision should not be there. It is not there right now, but earlier it was there. So we have enhanced this per page UI. That was the enhancement, but the entire functionality is what I explained.